I don't really know, there's no real natural law. But I make a bunch of observations, and if I make enough observations, I get a sense of a pattern, and I say, ooh, I know the probability here. So, anybody work in retail? Anybody ever go into a grocery store? Anybody ever go into a furniture store? Okay. So think about the grocery store, think about the furniture store. Let's say we own a furniture store. We are really interested in the probability that a person who walks in the front door is going to give us money. Everybody got that idea? Now, a lot of people go into a furniture store to look around. Not everybody goes in and says, oh, here's $10,000, okay, I'm very happy, okay, I'll have some, get a little table or something. So where does that probability come from? It doesn't come from, like, randomness, okay? So maybe what we say is we'd really like to know that because we run the furniture store. So we might say we're going to take a whole week and we're going to count how many people come in the door, and we're going to count how many people actually paid us money. Does that make sense to everybody? And what do you think that percentage is in a furniture store? 100%? 20%? 20%? Lower? Higher? All right, so I don't know, 15%, 20%, because a lot of people, what do you think that number is in a grocery store? I think it's really high. People walk in the grocery store and they almost always walk out with something they've purchased, right? Okay.
89%.
I don't know, what's that?
89%. In retail, 89%. No, grocery store.
Oh, in a grocery store.
Yes, 89%.
Maybe, I don't really know what it is, but I think it's high. I mean, I'm absolutely sure that it's high, whatever it is, I think it'd be low if we owned a car dealership, wouldn't it? Okay, but the point is that we don't know what the probability that any individual buyer is going to buy something is, but we could kind of figure it out if we observed, if we counted, if we said, how many people actually bought something over how many people actually came in the store? We don't have this magic head that says it's a six-sided die and I know it's 1/6, okay? So empirical is observations, okay? How many people who sign up for classes at CLC actually wind up taking the class? I don't know. It's probably pretty high, but there's no natural number, and you observe it. So that's empirical probability, okay? You count, okay? And we figure F is the frequency, and the bottom N is the total frequency. Now there's a third type of probability that we can